Hello, thank you all for watching JoJo Farm. This is an update from the last video, and there has been a big challenge with this step. There has been a big challenge, and the big challenge is nature. We've had rain all week. All week. It's been raining all week, and because of the rain, it's been very difficult for the guys to continue their work. But I want you to know that, in life, anything that you set before you, this challenge, we have accepted it, cope with it. And because of this challenge, then we have to buy some like tarpaulin, some rubber to cover the blocks. Succeed when the guys were coming, it was difficult for them to get to the place. As you can see, hard time bringing the cement even to the site for the work. Had a hard time. But they did not let the nature of the road discourage them. They push it on and push it on and push it on. And at a point, they have to abandon their tricycle and then carry the cement to the site to do that. Thank God. It took them less than a week to even that they finished work. Like I said in the previous video, we were expecting about 1,200 blocks, but we were able to get more than 34, 1,034, I'm not sure about the number, but we were able to get it. We were able to hit our target, which was a very good one. Now all the block work is set. The block work set for the construction begin. Very happy. Very happy. The challenges that we had wasn't know that gonna encounter the rain, but not allow the slow that down. And like I said, in life, anything that you put your hand doing, you're gonna face opposition. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Thank God that it is just the beginning. And I know that whatever that it is, we are going to overcome it. We are going to overcome it. We are going to overcome it. Whatever opposition that might come, we will conquer. We will conquer it. Whenever you are putting your mind or your hands on any project, there is one thing that you have to know, that you are going to encounter opposition. You are going to encounter a lot of stuff. You are going to encounter many people that will disagree with you here and there. These are all stuff that we've been encountering. But you know what? We believe in the mighty name of God, and we know that with God we are going to pass through. The Bible made us understand that in the book of John the Baptist, he said the kingdom of John the Baptist suffered violence, but the violent took it by force. That is, the ministry of John the Baptist had opposition, but he did not give up. He did not give up because he had a vision, he had a purpose for his vision. And that is all that he was looking at. And that is what we are looking at. We are looking at what we have planned to do. accomplish our vision. If you've set anything before you, just be ready for it. Be ready that you face opposition, but you are going to conquer. Face opposition, but you are going to achieve your goal. We are moving forward, and the next step, now we have the land, we have the blocks. Now we need the men, the quality men, the real contractors that will do the work. Like I said in my previous video, we are going to do quality. We want to make sure that we get a quality people to produce, so that when it is done, everybody take a look at it and realize that we want that, and we want to see that. Live by next video, see how where or whichever level that we are. We're gonna start with the foundation as usual. We're gonna cast on concrete and start a block. And definitely we are going to get there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check the notification button so that if we post anything, you'll be the first to know. You'll be the first to watch, and you'll be the first to share. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to encourage. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share so that other friends will benefit. Like I said, there are many people who just need somebody to encourage them to put up. And as somebody encouraged me, so am I trying to encourage. Because I know that this video will help somebody, if not today. That is all that we will be able to know that it takes time, even though it is set or bound to happen. It still takes time. So whatever you are doing, if today you are starting, know that tomorrow you will finish. If you do not start today, you will not finish tomorrow. So start it as small as you can. Know that you will definitely. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for spending your time on this video. But try as much as you can and subscribe to the channel as you watch and share as well.